Welcome back to Coronation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with my Sephora
mystery box.
No,
Play Smarts.
No, Play Smarts. Yeah. So they've done 2 already that I'm aware of that I purchased, and I'm pretty sure showed you guys. This one is going to be a little bit different. They had 3 different boxes you could choose from. There was one for 30-year-olds, one for 40-year-olds, and one for 50-year-olds. And so, without giving out our age, I picked out the 40-year-olds because we're closer to that than anything else, even though we're not in our 40s.
Should we be ashamed of our age, though? I don't think we should be.
And so, I just like to, everything I get to show you guys, and of course I bought some other stuff with it, or, I bought some cotton pads because can never get enough of those. I haven't tried this brand though. They're, how do you say, Shiseido?
Is this just packaging because I can just hold?
So anyway, and I got my, my samples and whatever promo code. But anyway, this is what I wanted. The main thing is the Play Smarts box. So when they do these, you can go online on the date that they tell you and watch their little tutorial about it, the products you get. And if you have questions, you can ask them while it's live. But if you miss it, you can also go back and watch it. I can't open this thing.
She's not an affiliate for them. She's just naming all the stuff she's learned.
But I'm getting myself and everything. And this one was really cute because I saw it was coming in this. So that's a cute little
That is. That'd be cute
bag.
for dressing for the 50s, I feel like, or something.
Okay, and then it comes with, see, it says skincare age, skincare by age, and it says 40s. So that's the one I picked out.
Can you read the stuff? Oh wait, or the stuff you're going to be reading?
Yeah, well,
I guess is
or I guess you could go along with. Let's see. Maybe you can pull out something or read something about it, and I'll show it as you pull it out.
If you can find it.
Yeah, I should be able to find it. Yeah. So in this one,
Sunday Riley. It says a lactic acid treatment that exfoliates away dead skin cells to clear pores for brighter, plumper looking skin that you'll notice within 3 minutes. I just used one of those things yesterday that's you put on your face and it gets rid of dark spots, but you can't rub it in and you have to put it as your last thing. Godele. It's the Premier Crew Eye Cream, a luxurious eye cream packed with grapeseed. I can't even say this word. Polyphenols. I don't know. Pearlescent pigments to visibly reduce dark circles while smoothing into puffing. What's that word? Polyphenols? I said that wrong. I'm bad with some words.
Are these in order? Because I just keep grabbing the words.
A lightweight glow-inducing moisturizer enriched with antioxidant-packed pomegranate to protect and hydrate skin. Drop all your cards.
Which one's that one? This one?
Yeah, that looks pretty. Detoxifying, it's Volition Beauty, a detoxifying, simultaneously moisturizing face mask that uses black silt to leave skin balanced and bright. I feel like silt, I knew what that was at one point, but now I can't remember. Sunday Riley again. Powerful retinol oil. Do I have that backwards? That drastically reduces the look of wrinkles, redness, and pores with this unique blue-colored formula, Luna Sleeping Night Oil. I think I have that and haven't used it yet. I know about one of those
last thing.
Gotcha. And I don't know how you say it. The water cream, an oil-free face cream packed with Japanese botanicals and superfoods that shrink the appearance of pores and visibly plump skin.
So I don't want to say for me because it's for everyone. I don't know why I act like it's only at the time I can go on there. But so for instance, they'll go over all these products, and I think they're gonna probably go over. Maybe I don't know if they're gonna do it in categories, do this at this time, and then maybe at a later time do the 50s and the 30s at a different time or whatever. But for this one anyway, it's September 17th at 5 p.m. Pacific, right? Pacific time? Yeah. 8 p.m. Eastern. So, and then of course you get to bring the Smart Pass to any Sephora and get your, I never go into the store though, hardly ever. That's the thing. I do all my stuff online. So anyway, but I just thought I'd show you what you'd get if you ordered this particular one for age 40s or skincare by age 40s.
What'd you get with it? Because you said you ordered some samples on the side.
Oh, well, I wasn't even going to show them, but no, with well, you can, because we're trying to make it short, but you can put in a promo code, so I don't remember what I put in, but you can show it that.
Bare Minerals Blemish Rescue. I'm actually wearing a Bare Minerals lipstick. I can't remember the color. Well, red lip liner, but this other color, and it just reminds me of this other lipstick I like. So
not that I have blemishes necessarily, but it was the best whatever promo thing I could do, and then I got those as the which I think I got you a hair thing this thing I think I was gonna give you.
Oh, aw, how Tweety bird. Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It's pretty small. Hopefully you can see that. There's that. But of course it is a sample on me, after all. And is it Sauvage or Sauvage? I don't know how to say it. I never know how to say these things. Perfume. I wonder if that smells good. And then BB Bumble and Bumble. Okay, hairdressers invisible oil shampoo and conditioner. They're so tiny.
If I can't find things that I like, then I'm just gonna pick whatever. So that's one. But
Yeah.
because I always get like the shampoos, I prefer them to be bigger if I'm gonna, and conditioners if I'm gonna different. But anyway, that was it for this one.
Let us know if any of you guys get this special little Play Smarts like package for. And if you were, would you get it for your 30 or 40 or 50-year-old like mother, grandmother, anybody, or would you get it for yourself? But that was it for this one. As she said, give us a thumbs up if you saw anything you liked. We did speak fast as usual. Try to get this short for you. And don't forget to subscribe, be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at subscribers of 100 count. So we're hoping you will have your friends join us. Thanks for watching.
Take
Have
care.
a great day. Bye.